Say hi, Ayla. Hi, everyone. Today. Hi, everyone. So we just got home. Mommy just got home from work, and Mommy got little things for Ayla, and Ayla wants to join Mommy for a Walmart haul. Say hi. Look at the camera. Right there. Say hi. Right there, Ayla. Say hi. Hello. So when I left from work, so they have little section for baby's clothes that was on sale. So I got a couple things for Ayla, just for clothes that for everyday. So I got a little bags here, and where Ayla's gonna join me. To some of them is not on sale, some of them is on sale because it's getting colder here. And I got, this is regular price, long sleeve. It's nice when it's like a, what do you call it, little chilly, little cold. It's nice when it's getting colder. I got this little long sleeve top. Why are you sliding? Look at the camera. Why do you look distracting everywhere? So I got a pair gray pants to go with this long sleeve top. And what else? I got these yellow shirts that was on sale for $2, like 100 pesos in the Philippines. And this one is just the regular price for $3.98. $3.98 because it's getting, again, it's getting colder, and I got the 3 to 6 months size. And I got this. Oh, this is cute. Again, it was on sale for $2. A basic white top. And this is again the same, $2 just for her everyday. I got the bigger size, 6 to 9 months. There you go. One more 6 to 9 months. That was $2 for everyday, for Ayla's everyday. And I got this little cute dress with pants on it, 2-piece, and the size is 3 to 6 months, and it was $5.96 for this one. It's cute. I think it's cute. I think she can wear it right now. Yeah, because the 3 months is a little bit smaller for her already. So we got one more thing too. Oh, super cute. Again, this is 6 to 9 months, $3.98. This is regular price. Again, it's long sleeve because it's getting colder. I prepare her when winter is coming. I prepare her to wear like this one, long sleeve. Even inside the house it's warm because we got heaters. We use heaters when it's like really cold. So yeah, so that's all for our Walmart haul. Ayla's new clothes for everyday clothes. And say hi. Hi. Hello. We're staring at the screen. Say hi. Bye. Bye, everyone. See you in my next vlog. Say bye.